Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency works? How can digital money exist without a bank? And what's all the hype about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos? Well, in this video, we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. So even if you're new to crypto, you'll understand it by the end. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional money, it's not controlled by banks or governments. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain, which we'll explain in a bit. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and many others. But how does it actually work? Imagine you want to send money to a friend. Normally, you'd use a bank or a payment app like PayPal. The bank acts as the middleman, verifying and processing the transaction. But with cryptocurrency, there's no middleman. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers all around the world. These computers make sure every transaction is legit, and once verified, it's recorded permanently on a blockchain. Now let's talk about blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrency. Imagine a public digital ledger or a giant notebook that records every single transaction ever made. But instead of being stored in one place, this ledger is shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This makes it secure and transparent because no single person or company controls it. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it can't be changed or erased. That's what makes crypto trustworthy without a bank. So, now that you know how crypto works, what can you actually do with it? You can buy goods and services. Some companies accept crypto as payment. Send money internationally with lower fees and faster transfers. Invest in trade, but remember, crypto prices are very volatile. Participate in DeFi, NFTs, and even crypto gaming. And that's a simple breakdown of how cryptocurrency works. It's a digital, decentralized form of money that runs on blockchain technology, secured by mining or staking, and can be used for a variety of things. Want to learn more about crypto? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Comment below. What's the one thing about crypto that confuses you the most? We'll cover it in future videos.